Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix check your notifications on another device Facebook. So if you're encountering the check your notifications on another device issue on Facebook, then it usually relates to two-factor authentication. Here are some steps you can try to resolve this problem. First up, approve login from another device. So if you have another device where you're logged into Facebook, you should receive a notification to approve the login attempt. Simply approve it to gain access. Next, you can try using a backup code. So Facebook provides backup codes when you set up two-factor authentications. Use one of these codes to log in. Next, you can also do a receiving a text message method. So just opt to receive a text message with a login code. If you have your phone number linked to your account, then you should be able to do this. Next, you can also try submitting a photo ID. So if you're unable to access your account through the above methods, you can submit a photo of your ID to Facebook for verification. They will then provide a link to reset your password. And then finally, turn off two-factor authentication. So once you regain access, you might consider turning off two-factor authentication temporarily or adding a new phone number to avoid future issues. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.